Hi friends, welcome back to Cyclone TV India. And as you know that the deep depression that's called BOB02 has made landfall in Andhra Pradesh. So we have brought another update today, and as you can see, it's located here over Andhra Pradesh currently. The deep depression BOB02. So this is the national bulletin by IMD. Deep depression over north coastal Andhra Pradesh weakened into a depression over Telangana. The deep depression over north coastal Andhra Pradesh moved further west northwestwards with a speed of 19 km during past 6 hours, weakened into a depression and lay centered at 11:30 hours IST of today, the 13th October 2020, over Telangana near latitude 17.3 degree north and longitude 81.5 degrees east, about 140 km east southeast of Khammam of Telangana and 90 km west northwest of Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. It is very likely to move west northwestwards and weaken into a well-marked low pressure area during next 12 hours. So this is the forecast track and intensity I've already seen. So the warnings are placed. Means rainfall warning on 13th October today is light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy falls at a few places and extremely heavy rainfall which is more than 20 cm per day at isolated places would occur over Telangana and adjoining districts of north interior Karnataka. Heavy to very heavy falls at isolated places over coastal and remaining districts of north interior Karnataka, South Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada, and heavy falls at isolated places over North Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, South interior Karnataka, South Odisha, South Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha. So the rainfall warning placed on tomorrow on 14th October 2020. Light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy falls at a few places and extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places would occur over Madhya Maharashtra and South Konkan and Goa. Heavy to very heavy falls at isolated places over North Konkan, North Interior Karnataka and Marathwada, and heavy falls at isolated places over coastal and South Interior Karnataka. So the wind warnings are placed on today only. A squally wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km, gusting to 60 km, very likely to prevail over west central Bay of Bengal along and off Andhra Pradesh coast during next 6 hours and gradually decrease thereafter, becoming 30 to 40 km, gusting to 50 km during subsequent 6 hours. Wind speed reaching 35 to 45 km, gusting to 55 km, likely to prevail along and off South Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry coasts and adjoining areas of southwest and northwest Bay of Bengal during next 6 hours and decrease thereafter, becoming 20 to 30 km during the subsequent 6 hours. Sea condition will be rough to very rough over west central Bay of Bengal along and off Andhra Pradesh coast and rough over adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal, southwest Bay of Bengal and along and off Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and South Odisha coasts till 13th October evening and over Gulf of Mannar during 13th and 14th October. So this was the sea condition. Fishermen warning. Fishermen are advised not to venture into west central, northwest and southwest Bay of Bengal and along and off Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry coasts till 13th October evening and over Gulf of Mannar during 13th and 14th October 2020. Damage expected Telangana and adjoining districts of North India Karnataka. Some damage to paddy crops, banana, papaya trees and orchards and drumstick trees and horticultural crops. Minor damage to Kutch embankments due to heavy rain. So the next bulletin will be issued today 8:30 p.m. So this is the rainfall distribution in the past 24 hours in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha. And we have shown you the deep depression image which is currently located here at 17.3 degree north latitude and 81.5 degrees longitude. So this is the observed and forecast track along with cone of uncertainty of depression over Telangana based on 6 UTC of 13th October 2020. So this may be the last bulletin on this deep depression BOB02 that is already inland over Telangana and adjoining Andhra Pradesh and is going to produce rainfall over in south interior Karnataka and north interior Karnataka and along Telangana, and you have also seen the damage is expected among these states. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get the latest notifications of our videos, and like our Facebook page. I will give you the link in the description box of our Facebook page, and you may check out our second channel homepage. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for further updates.